Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about the chapter Environmental Pollution from your Social Studies book. I have tried to cover up all the fill in the blanks from the chapter Environmental Pollution so that it can help you to prepare for your upcoming exams in a better way. So I would request you to please go through the video till the end so that you can cover up the entire syllabus. The subtopics discussed in this chapter is pollution, water pollution, noise pollution, air pollution, land pollution, and how to save Mother Earth from environmental pollution. So let's start. Number 1. The dash is a home to millions of living organisms. The answer is Earth. Number 2. The factors causing environmental degradation are the increasing population, industrialization, and urbanization. Number 3. Any undesirable change in the air, water, or land which harms the environment is called pollution. Number 4. Smoke, poisonous gases or waste materials from factories are responsible for pollution. Number 5. Poisonous gases, smoke and dust particles mix with air to make the air impure to form air pollution. Number 6. Air pollution can result from both dash and dash actions. The answer is human and natural actions. Number 7. Pollution is of 4 main types. Number 8. The main types of pollution are air pollution, water pollution, land pollution, and noise pollution. Number 9. When the dash combines with dash, it forms smoke. The answer is when the fog combines with smoke, it forms smog. Number 10. Dash and dash are major sources of air pollution. The answer is factories and transport are major sources of air pollution. Number 11. Inhaling dash air leads to diseases and other dash disorders in both humans and animals. The answer is inhaling polluted air leads to diseases and other respiratory disorders in both humans and animals. Number 12. Smoke causes a serious problem as it does not allow the dash to reach the earth's surface by forming a dash and dash layer. The answer is smoke causes a serious problem as it does not allow the sunlight to reach the earth's surface by forming a dense and opaque layer. Number 13. All life forms dash, dash and dash get affected by air pollution. The answer is all life forms, humans, animals and plant get affected by air pollution. Number 14. Dash are unable to prepare their food properly in polluted dash and their growth slows down. The answer is plants are unable to prepare their food properly in polluted air and their growth slows down. Number 15. It takes about average of dash years to decompose a plastic totally. The answer is it takes about average of 500 years to decompose a plastic totally. Number 16. Consumption of unclean water can cause several diseases like cholera, jaundice, typhoid and diarrhea. Number 17. Dash waste does not decompose and is a major cause of land pollution. The answer is plastic waste does not decompose and is a major cause of land pollution. Number 18. Dash and dash sound is called noise. The answer is loud and unpleasant sound is called noise. Number 19. The dash and dash chemicals from factories, when dumped into water bodies, they pollute the water, causing water dash. The answer is the waste and harmful chemicals from factories, when dumped into water bodies, they pollute the water, causing water pollution. Number 20. The intensity of sound is measured in decibels. Number 21. The minimum intensity of audible sound for humans is dash decibels. The answer is 20 decibels. Number 22. Noise pollution is harmful to all living organisms as it has the potential to damage the hearing organs apart from causing stress and irritation. Number 23. Sound beyond dash decibels intensity is harmful for the ears. The answer is sound beyond 90 decibels intensity is harmful for the ears. Number 24. Dash can detect and produce high frequency sound waves called dash waves. The answer is bats can detect and produce high frequency sound waves called ultrasonic waves. Number 25. Waste that gets degraded by the microbes in the soil is called biodegradable waste. Now let us see some ways to save the environment. Number 26. Reduce, recycle and reuse the resource. Number 27. Save dash as burning of fuels causes dash pollution. The answer is save fuel as burning of fuels causes air pollution. Number 28. Plant a tree for every tree being cut. Number 29. Walk or cycle for short distances to save fuel. Number 30. Dash the use of unnecessary materials. Any idea? Reduce the use of unnecessary materials. That means the things which are not necessary should be reduced. Number 31. Dash bags cause land pollution. Answer is polythene bags cause land pollution. Number 31. Conduct regular checks to ensure that factories obey the pollution laws. Number 32. Never play loud music. Do not honk the car horn unnecessarily. Number 33. Water pollution is the introduction of waste into large water bodies. Number 34. Land pollution is the degradation of the earth's land surface through the misuse of soil. Number 35. Noise pollution is caused by any sound that is unwanted, unpleasant and loud. So my dear kids, thanks for watching and keep learning. And we should always keep in mind to save our environment, to save our planet Mother Earth. If you like the video, do hit a like, share and subscribe to my channel